Good day everyone. Have you ever wished your lessons were more interactive? Meet Nearpod. It's an innovative educational tool that make learning more fun. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to use Nearpod and how Nearpod can make teaching engaging and fun for both educators and students. Nearpod is a digital learning platform designed to enhance classroom engagement, and teachers can create interactive lessons and quizzes, polls, and even like virtual field trip, and all in one place, whether you are teaching in person, hybrid, or online. Nearpod makes learning more dynamic. Let's go and deeply to understand and get more information. First of all, we go to Google. We just write Nearpod and we click on Nearpod. We get the first one, nearpod.com. You can see the platform will open. Easily you can create your username and password for free. And after that you can start uploading your lessons. But the best way, if you want to upload your lesson, you convert your PowerPoint to JPEG, because it will not take the normal slide, will take PDF or pictures. And pictures better if you want to work with your students slide by slide. This is what I did here. I save it all as picture. Now I will go to the platform to create my lesson. There is an icon here, it's plus. I will show you now. It's plus. So you can create your lesson, upload a lesson. You have different like icons here. If you want to use Google Slides, add on, the students can add also, but I prefer like to upload a normal lesson. Okay, and I drag all the pictures of my slide, the 12 slide photos. I drag them here and I click on individual slide. Now my lesson has uploaded, so you have an option to preview lesson to check your lesson if everything is okay, and you have save and exit. Let's say I click on save and exit. Now it will take me direct to the platform and I can see my lesson. See, I have it like twice because I uploaded for the first time. Let's delete this one, we don't want it. Okay, now if I want to start teaching my students, and I will click on teach, I need live participation because the students will have their own iPad. I click on live participation and I will receive here, it will appear like a code. I can share it with the students. This is the code, for example, and in the same time I'm gonna join from the other device to show you how. Now I join my lesson and let's see how does it look. This one, for example, okay, I can see like Ismat is in, one student, so I can start my lesson. In the same time, when I introduce my lesson, for example, here I have a brainstorm just to check with the students what they're doing. Here the students, they can write note and then share the idea with the teacher. I can open whiteboard. If I need to open whiteboard here, I can open the whiteboard for more explanation, and the students can start like if they need to write. If I don't want to write, to use the Nearpod and suddenly if I don't want to use the whiteboard, I can add activity here. For example, I want to ask them open-ended question, I want them to draw, I want them to say true and false. I can add anything I needed here. And then let's move on. For example, there is a question, for example, here. or just like another activity that to ask the student, for example, to spot the animals. Here they have to write how many they like found. You move like to the right, slide by slide, and in the same time the students will answer, because you can open the same time a Nearpod with other different application. It's up to you. Let's say if you complete your lesson and everything was okay and the students submit their answers, you need to assess your lesson and to evaluate the students. So there is a nice also option on Nearpod. You can create like a short questions, like a short mini exit ticket. I will show you how. Okay, you click on create, but you choose create a lesson from scratch. Here you have more options. You have activities, you have quick slide, you have create a quiz. I click on create quiz. After that, we can choose here, what do you want to be? Multiple choice, draw it, fill in the blank, time climb. As I'm like a KG teacher, I always use, not always, like most of the time to climb, because it's like a game. And now I will create the question, like I need, for example, how many questions related to my lesson. It will appear in this way. I write the question, the options. I'm gonna prepare like 2 questions and come back to you to show you how. Okay, now I create like 2 questions. Okay, here I create like a time climb. I click again on teach and live participation, because I want to see while they are the students are participating, and then their names. I will join from other device and also show you how it works. Okay, now the students can choose between these, like it will not change the content, but the way how they will play. Himalaya, beach, it's like more fun for them. I will click on continue, and here I can see the game will start while they are also joining. In this time I'm just choosing my character from other device, and I will join the game. Now it appears here. This is from my different device, and the game will start. So here we're gonna answer. Let's say the students choose a wrong answer. It will appear here that it's wrong, so he must move to the different one. And you can add as much as you want, like a questions, challenging question, whatever you want. Now let's go back to the platform. For more information, you can go to play demo. Here they can give you also more like to go deeply in this platform, because really it's enjoyable, and every like few months they update it. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you learn how, like briefly, how Nearpod can enhance teaching and learning experience.